Hello everyone, this is Jahid Hassan and today I am here in my university. I have one friend with me.
Hello, I am Deepu Chakraborty, student of Pharmacy Department of Comilla University.
Okay, brother, today actually we like to discuss about our favorite actor. So do you have any favorite actor?
Yeah, obviously I have a favorite actor and he is obviously Dev. He is my childhood emotion.
Okay, I think in my childhood I also watched so many movies and in Songit Bangla I watched several types of his songs also. At the time Dev was a super hit among our young generation. So what happens now with Dev?
I once upon a time I saw many movies of him and I very much fond of Songit Bangla because of Dev. His song and his dance is totally amazing. But now at this time I am in very tough schedule.
There's the thing actually nowadays the days going on and times fly. We are very busy with our different types of schedules. We have to maintain our university, at the same time our tuitions, our family responsibility. Overall actually we are now very busy for this reason I think nowadays we don't see enough movies of them. So brother, do you remember any of his movie name?
Yes, I remember his one of the best movies, I Love You movie, and it is very interesting movie. The story is based on love story. Okay.
So is there any story or anything specific you remember?
Yeah, for achieving love, Dev was suffering many soreness. It is very heart touching.
Yeah. I think his girlfriend's brother give him a challenge. Maybe it was the name. Okay. So do you remember any of his song? Can you please sing a song?
Yes, I remember, and the song of that movie is totally good, and I remember that time. একটা কথা বলবো যদি রাখো, ওকে আই সিং। একটা কথা বলবো যদি রাখো, তোমার মনেও আমার ছবি আঁকো, নেই কাছে যে রং তুলি, ভাবছি তোমায় কি বলি, নেই কাছে যে রং তুলি, ভাবছি তোমায় কি বলি, মনেরই মাঝে রং দিয়ে ছবি আঁকবো, মনে রাখবো, মনে রাখবো। Thank you.
Bro, you're extraordinary. I don't have any specific one actors, but in my childhood I used to watch different types of movies of Jeet, Dev, and they were at that time a superstar and they had a huge influence over our young people. So I think you also have.
Can you remember some movie of Dev or Jeet which is very much interesting to me, to you?
Okay, I think in this case Paglu or Dui Prithivi or such type of movies was at that time very popular among the young people. So thank you brother for giving your interview and thank you for your participation.
Yeah, thank you too.